Good morning, students of class 8B. In arithmetic, exercise 8.1 is continued. Let us see the solution of question number 7. The statement is Abhishek borrowed 60,000 from a bank at 9% per annum for 4 years. He lent this sum of money to Amita at 12% per annum for the same period. How much did Abhishek gain in this transaction? At first, Abhishek has borrowed 60,000 from the bank at the rate of 9% per annum for 4 years, and he lent the same amount, means 60,000, to Amita at the rate of 12% per annum for 4 years. In this, obviously, Abhishek will gain something because rate of interest is high at which he has lent the money. So, what is profit? What is gain of Abhishek? That is the question. First, I found SI of Abhishek, that is PRT by 100. Principal is 16,000. Rate of interest is 9. Time is 4 by 100. This 0000 cancelled. 160 into 4 equal to 640 into 9 equal to rupees 5,760. Now I found the amount equal to principal plus SI, 16,000 plus 5,760 equal to 21,760. Then SI of Amita, PRT by 100, 16,000 into 12 into 4. This 12 is rate of interest at which Abhishek has lent the money to Amita. So this 00 and 00 cancelled. 160 into 4, 640 into 12, that is equal to 7,680. And again I found amount of Amita, that is 16,000 plus 7,680 equal to 23,680. So gain of Abhishek equal to, Abhishek is paying to bank this much and Abhishek is getting money from Amita this much. So his gain equal to 23,680 minus 21,760, that is equal to 1,920. Question number 8 states that a man had rupees 35,000. He lent 15,000 at 4% per annum and rupees 10,000 at 3% per annum simple interest. At what rate must he lend the remaining money so that the total income is 5% on 35,000 annually? First I found SI on rupees 15,000. We got 600. Secondly, I found SI on rupees 10,000. We got 300. In both rate of interest is different. This 15,000, for this 15,000 rate of interest is 4%. And for this 10,000 rate of interest is 3%. In this way, total SI became 600 plus 300 equal to 900. Out of 35,000, he lent 15,000 and 10,000. So remaining amount that is to be lent is equal to 35,000 minus 15,000 plus 10,000. It became 10,000. And required income is 5% of 35,000, that I have calculated. 35,000 into 5, that is the rate of interest, into time 1 by 100, PRT by 100, that I got 1,750. So remaining SI to get that much income is equal to 1,750 minus 900. We got 850. In this way, we have principal, simple interest, and time is 1 year. We are asked to find the rate of interest. So in this part of the board, R equal to SI into 100 by P into T. R is rate of interest. SI is 850 into 100. P is 10,000. That remaining amount into 1 is time. I calculated it is being 85 by 10 So rate of interest became 8.5% per annum. In question number 9, a sum of rupees 13,000 is lent into two parts such that the simple interest on the first part for 3 years at 5% per annum is equal to that on the second part for 4 years at 6% per annum. Find the first part. Here total sum is given, but the first part and second part of the sum is not given, while the money is lent in these two parts, first part and second part. So I have considered here, let the first part of the sum be x, then the second part will be 13,000 minus x, rupees 13,000 minus x. It is given in the question that SI of the first part is equal to SI of the second part, that I have written. So PRT by 100 equal to PRT by 100. In this first part, P means principal is x, rate of interest is 5% and time is 3 years by 100. In the second part, principal is 13,000 minus x, rate of interest is 6% and time is 4 years by 100. This 100 and this 100 cancelled. 5 3s are 15x, 24 into 13,000 equal to 3,12,000 minus 6 4s are 24 into x, 24x. I have changed the side. By the rule of transposition, minus 24x came this side. After coming this side, it became plus 24x. So 15x plus 24x equal to 39x, and 39x equal to 3,12,000. So x equal to 8,000. I divided 3,12,000 by 39 and I got x equal to 8,000. So the first part of the sum became x, that was considered already, and the value of x became 8,000. In question number 10, a sum of money becomes 33,000 in 4 years at a rate of 8% per annum simple interest. What will it amount to in 5 years at a rate of 7% per annum? Here 33,000 is amount, time is 4 years and rate of interest is 8% per annum. Principal is not given, so I have considered let the principal be P, then SI equal to A minus P, 33,000 minus P, that is SI. Now we know SI equal to PRT by 100. At the place of SI I kept 33,000 minus P, that is equal to P into 8 into 4. 8 is rate of interest and 4 is time by 100. By cross multiplication, 33,000 into 100 equal to 33 lakh minus 100 into P, 100p equal to 8 4 is 32p. From transposition, 100p plus 32p equal to 132p equal to 33 lakh. So P equal to 33 lakh by 132, that is equal to rupees 25,000. Now we got the principal. Now what will be amount on this principal for 5 years at the rate of 7% per annum? So again I found SI equal to PRT by 100. Now principal is 25,000, rate of interest is 7% and time is 5 years by 100. This 0000 cancelled. 250 into 7 equal to 1,750 into this 5, that is equal to 8,750. Now amount equal to principal plus interest. Principal is 25,000 and interest we got 8,750. So amount equal to 33,750.